Well, made it to Galveston after the hour-and-a-half plane ride and a couple hours waiting for the shuttle. I got a new front on this building. Met George here. Say hi, George. Getting our luggage off the bus. About ready to start our cruise. Well, that was a breeze. Just blew right through. Very nice. Just about to get on the ship. Here we are, 8471. Big reveal. Okay, that's me. Oh well. Maybe I can put it together. Waters, wine. Top tier event, taking care of you. Okay. Standard restroom. It's gonna work. Getting on the ship at the Newport was a breeze. I'll show you around the ship here a little bit. Crown Lounge. And of course the ever-present Diamond Club. On the Adventure of the Seas. A sweet lounge over on the other side. This is deck 14. Come up and get a cappuccino. Head down to breakfast. First morning at sea. Back portion of the Windjammer on the Adventure. Big Windjammer. This is the back half. I'll show you the front half here in a second. This is the front half, or part of it. On the other side of the counter here is another seating area. And the washing station. It's pretty clever. The Vespa scooter outside Giovanni's, that's pretty clever. May have to try this later. Now the pool and deck area this morning, a little cool and breezy. They were out here last night. I'll have to get a picture of that throughout the cruise. This ship is packed. Just surprised me. Down here sailing out of Galveston. A lot of kids. 500 some kids on the ship. And the solarium area. The hot tub looks inviting. The pool and of course the solarium bar. This solarium's open in the center. The online library. Looking down on the library. Deck 8 and 7. With a view of the, what are they calling this, the Centrum or? Well, looky here. I have a fun time duck. Found at the library. Quack, quack, I've landed from Buffalo, New York, 12/22. December 22, okay. We'll re-hide this one somewhere. Yeah, that could be a good spot. Come back later and see if anybody found it. Well, it didn't take anybody long to find it. It's gone. I put it here about 15 minutes ago. Now they're calling this the Promenade. That's the Centrum is, of course, on the smaller ships. And they've got some kind of sales event going here, $10 watches or something. Guest services, the interior cabins. Bolero Lounge. Or no, this is vintages. The wine bottles, obviously. They call it the champagne bar here. You'll notice the poinsettias and the big Christmas tree they put up in the promenade. They were going all out decorating for Christmas. You'll see later the officers even sang Christmas carols. I think they get people from Texas here. Imperial Lounge, Tech 5 forward. We've got some kind of art auction thing going on here. All the art is displayed to be auctioned off, I guess. They had some interesting art pieces here. Anyway, it's time to get ready for the big top tier event. Somebody's getting an award.
And so wherever I go in the world now, I get to take a piece of Texas with me. So I'm very, very happy.
Finally, after almost 40 years of sailing, I made the top level.
Please sway with ease. When we dance, you got away with me. Stay with me, sway with me.
This is what full capacity looks like. This ship is, they're doing well again. Now pulling into Costa Maya, day 3 of the cruise. And lo and behold, there's the jewel of the seas. Great ship. There's also that sailboat that's been washed up there for years, still hanging in there. I'll get off here and walk around a little bit. We'll be back in February on the same cruise, and we're planning on taking an excursion to the Mayan ruins at that time. So get out, walk around a little bit, and see what's at the shopping area here. That's about it, other than unless you're going on an excursion. But this place is a zoo. The Jewel and the Adventure just opened up. It's wall-to-wall people in here. Checked on the Mount Gay Rum XO. Still 60-some bucks here. I guess I'll have to go back to Barbados to get it. Worth the cruise just to go get that. Yeah. Same Costa Maya I remember. And they're still pouring off the ships. This, I'll tell you, Royal Caribbean's got to be loving this. This will get them back healthy. The Jewel parked next to the Adventure. Yeah, I guess the Adventure is bigger. It's an Explorer class, and the Jewel, of course, is the Radiance class. I don't know. I think I'd opt for the Jewel. Oh well, having fun on the Adventure. Show you a little bit of the casino while we're in port, and it's closed. For obvious reasons, they discourage photography while it's in operation. Now the Schooner Bar, just before the piano entertainment. I'd say Royal Caribbean's doing well again. It's been this way every night of the cruise. Day 3, morning of day 3 of our 5-day cruise out of Galveston. Of course, we're in Cozumel, and with us today is the Carnival Pride and a celebrity ship. I don't know which one it is, but it's one of their ships. Of course, us, and we're at the cruise terminal dock. There's 2 more. Let me see if I get a picture of that. Hold on. Looks like a Virgin, and I can't tell, quite a smaller one next to it. I can't tell what that is. And Cozumel, so it's going to be a busy day in Cozumel anyway. So I think I'm just going to get off and find some little souvenirs for the people back home, maybe some vanilla or something, and check out some liquor prices and call it good. I don't think I'm going to go into town. Pedro's backyard, may have to do that next week. They got have some good margaritas there, but today I think I'm just going to take it easy. Looks like it's going to be a nice day, partly cloudy, the captain said, so good day to be here. Well, that's not a good sign. Oh well. Maybe it's for the celebrity. It's a celebrity summit. Okay. Okay, Brian, I hate to admit it, but you were right. I certainly don't remember Margaritaville being here in Cozumel, but Brian and I had a little argument over it. He says, yeah, there is. Here it is. Imagine that. I was wrong again. Just walked around the port area in Cozumel. Next cruise in February, we'll explore more.
Sweet home,
Alabama.
we got it. Well, Coach Hot Roll, yeah.
Okay, we have Russell. We have the witness protection program over here. Russell and Audrey. Say, you guys had a good cruise?
Hi, the Adams family.
Yes. Rick?
Yes, I had a great cruise.
And with Mr. No Name, we can't divulge his name. The FBI still.
She goes by the name Diane.
Okay, I was going to do Diane, but I didn't.
Thank you, Larry.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. You
Congratulations.
guys have been wonderful dinner mates. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Goodness.